Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021. Today is Motivational Monday, and it's a perfect day to be motivated because we have some exciting things and some important things going on today. So today's quote is, "It's up to you how far you'll go. If you don't try, you'll never know." We're beginning to take our iReady diagnostic today, and we know that it's an important thing that we try our very best and we work really hard to just see how far we can go and show all that we know. So it's up to you to make that choice today, but we hope that you are trying your very best, that you show all that you know already that you've learned this school year. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have Pop-Tart and string cheese. For lunch, pizza and french fries. Tomorrow for breakfast pizza, and for lunch, Crispito. We had some birthdays over the weekend. We had Emma Wynn, Delaney Henderson, Tyshawn Malone, and Cameron King. And although it says that we have no birthdays today, we have no student birthdays today, but we have a very, very, very important birthday down in pre-K. Today is Miss Check's birthday, and I am certain that pre-K will be celebrating all day today their fantastic teacher, Miss Check. So happy birthday to Miss Check. Hope you have a great day. Important dates. Today we start our second iReady diagnostic. We are so excited to see some growth, students. We cannot wait for you to show us all that you have worked so hard on this school year. We know this is a crazy school year and things have been a little bit not normal. So we are super pumped to show us for you to show us what you know. Can't wait to see all your great work. On Thursday, we will be having PST, which was moved from Wednesday. That's all for today. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.